Hello, today I'm solving the Leetcode daily problem for 9th of August or 10th of August, depending on the time zone you're located in. So in this problem, we are given an integer n and we have to return true if it is a power of 2, else we have to return false. So this problem looks pretty easy and it's quite straightforward. My brute force approach was to use log, since log base 2 of n would be an integer if it's a power of 2. But since we don't have a log base 2 function in Java, I had to use the identity of dividing log base en with log base e2. So that would give us log base 2 of n. But this approach had a problem, and the problem was after the division, since both the statements math.log n and math.log2, it resulted in a double data type, and dividing two doubles resulted in a lack of precision. So for this huge number, it gave me the least significant digit as 4, but all the numbers before 4 and after the decimal were zeros. So basically, I was using this statement to check if this b, which is a result of this statement, is an integer or not. But because of the precision error, this statement was failing and we were getting false, which was not the correct answer. So I came up with an idea to use the bitwise operation in this case. So basically, the first condition is n is greater than 0. So this is necessary as for any negative number, it cannot be a power of 2. So our prerequisite is this statement. And the next one is this one. Now to explain this, I have to explain the representation of numbers in binary. So in case of any number which is a power of 2, only one of the digit is 1 and the rest is 0. For example, in case of 1, it is 0, 0, 0. In case of 2, it would be 0, 0, 1. In case of 3, it would be 0, 1, 1. In case of 4, it would be 1, 0, 0. Now here, to apply this calculation, if I do an AND operation between 3 and 4, it will give us a 0. If I do an AND operation between 2 and 1, oh, sorry. So this would be this. Yeah, now it is good. So if I do an AND operation between 2 and 1, that will give us 0. And for any other case, it will give us some random number. For example, between 3 and 2, it will give us 1 and 1, which is 1 and 0, which is 2, and that is not equal to 0. And this solution is also efficient as this is a bitwise operation. So if I submit this one, it is one of the fastest solution.